Salute, folks. So, I want to do a little rant because, again, social media, black men, blah, blah, blah. But I just went across a video on YouTube, and the guy was saying why hood black women lose successful black men to white women. And, he went in on people like Sexy Red and Sukihana. And he was like, oh, look at people like Gladys Knight and the Pips from our parents' age. They had class. And look at Mary J. Blige. She has class. Seems like the black women today are walking around in thongs and with their breasts and butts out. Number one, let's not act like the men don't like that. Right? Because you like it from the white women too. But before I continue to go in, make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. So like I said, he was talking about why hood black women lose successful black men to white women. And, he's talking about the dress and the way they're looking. But first of all, the number one problem a lot of black men who go over to white women because of hood black women is you're looking at the wrong class. Why are you looking for hood boogers? If you look for country bumpkin white chicks, you're going to find the same thing. Or redneck white chicks, you're going to find the same thing. A bunch of ignorance. But you're looking for classy white women, or what you think to be classy white women. Because what you don't know is, especially guys from my generation, because this guy was talking about women from my generation being classy, Mary J. Blige, etc., etc. And I'm like, well, the problem is that black men, when you go to these white women, you're not of their community. So you don't know that Sally Sue was a slore. All you know is she looks presentable in the package that you want now, and she's different from what you're used to, because what you're used to is only looking at Sukihana and Sexy Red. But you're not even looking for an upwardly mobile black woman or a successful black woman, right? So, I just find that a little bit odd that, the perspective is that hood black women lose successful black men. What about the hood black men who lose the successful black women? And again, why are the successful black men going after hood black women and so-called classy others? It's just a perspective thing. Maybe you have a thing of loss of self-worth, right? That's just a little bit of my rant. I'm not going to go for too long, y'all. I just, that just popped up across my algorithm. And, it's something that's prevalent heavily in the black community. So I figured I'd talk about it a little bit. But realistically, again, you're going to leave the dregs of your society. Why do you don't think trailer trash white women get successful white men, do you? No. Trailer trash white women get trailer trash white men. Or they lose successful white men to successful or classy white women. Or what they think. Because again, a lot of those girls that you think are classy right now were on Girls Gone Wild 20 years ago in 2002. Right? They was on Girls Gone Wild. Bling, 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 ding, 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 flashing. And getting dude humping push-ups in their mouth. Trust me, I know. There's a lot of dudes who, just because of the fact you're black and live near the hood or adjacent to the hood or far enough away where you don't know anybody they know, they don't know anybody you know. So your circles won't cross. So they can do a lot of nasty things with black guys that are from the hood that they can go back to their community and still get married and still be considered a wholesome little girl. Anyway, that's it for today. Make sure you hit that like, drop a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you're made aware every time I release new content. And as always, share, share, share. Lastly, to contribute to channel growth or to schedule an appointment with a licensed financial professional, the links are in the description of this video. With that being said, ladies and gentlemen, wipe ass, work in progress every day and see success. And remember, folks, when people challenge you, they don't challenge you to challenge you, but they challenge you to challenge you. Accept the challenge. Salute.